show you how to use the warping peg to warp your loom rather than the warping board. Generally, we suggest this for shorter warps. You set your loom up on a long table with the rear beam hanging over the end of the table. The warp helper will be in place on one side of the loom, and at the far end of the table, you'll clamp your warping peg in place. On the floor below the rear warping beam, you'll place your warp on the floor with the strand leading up to the loom. With your warp end tied to the warp stick, it's simply a matter of taking a loop of warp up through the warping peg, and you do this through each of the slots that are along the surface of the rigid heddle. Drop them over, come back, get another loop, bring it through the slot, and you warp your loom directly on the loom. Make sure to work in your white colors for this project as you go along, and add the new colors right back here at the warp stick.